So we created the Power Up Leadership team to build leadership capacity in our 6th grade students. And we meet monthly to plan our activities for the school, and then after that we meet with our 6th grade student leaders so we can prepare them to lead the rest of the students in early childhood through 5th grade, as well as our staff members in our quarterly events.
Well, we first started off reading a kindness book, and then the kids made rocks that are now displayed out in our garden area. We've followed up here just recently with doing a project for our senior citizens here in the Allen community. We wanted to reach out to them and show that people do care, and we made some blankets. The fleece was donated by families, and then we also made some cards for them for Valentine's Day.
Thanks to the generosity of our parents here at Cheatham Elementary, we were able to collect over 85 blankets, fleece kits, for our service project with the senior citizens in our community, and in just a couple of days. So this is one of the examples of the blankets that the students worked on. The 6th graders were able to cut all the fringe around the outside, and then the rest of the students were working together in their buddy groups to tie them.
Our core leadership team has had a really fun time this year trying to think of what service projects and kindness projects that we can think of creatively to work with our 6th grade student leaders with to encompass that culture of excellence district-wide, and they've been doing a fabulous job with it.